your classwork note. I want everybody to open your classwork note. Then only I will start, because in between I don't want anyone asking. Wait, anyone asking, shall we write? Shall we write? Okay, I don't want anybody to ask me. You open your classwork note, because I want to give you some answers today. After that, we'll go to balanced diet tomorrow, okay? Otherwise, you will forget written work. Now, take a new page. Are you ready for the class? No answering. I'll just wait. I'll give you 2 minutes for you to get ready. Just take a new page in your EVS classwork. On the first double rolled line, just write double rolled that first line. Okay, in your notebook, write food, Food, food. And in your margin, write today's date. In your margin, write today's date. In your margin, write today's date. Now, don't write all this. This is just an instruction to all. Write all the following in your classwork. That means I'm just going to start now. Now, write the heading. Answer the following. Slowly, I will dictate. A, capital A. You can do cursive writing. Here I cannot do. Capital A, N, S, W, E.
Ma'am,
See,
right? Answer the
I just want to know who's this child asking right. Every day, this is the procedure. All must be here by 10:30, children. When you are doing written work, all must be ready. Parents, please cooperate with us. Don't tell I am shouting, because I'm not scolding anybody. One child asks, everybody will ask. Today we have written work. I gave you enough instructions before. Open your classwork note. Now I can't go back. Now answer the following. Those who are writing, continue, children. This is the third hour you're having class. Capital A, N, S, W, E, R. Answer. Right. In between, one by one, we'll join this 1.5 months finished, just completed. Still, y'all are doing the same thing. Ma'am is not shouting, children. Y'all are disturbing others. Answer. A, N, S, W, E, R. You can do cursive. Leave little space. T, H, E. The. Answer the following. F, O, L, L, O, W, I,
Ma'am, you want to
N,
write?
T. Answer the following. Now, when I dictate, you have to do it. Just number one. Number one. I won't answer to anybody when I dictate this question. Roman number one. Write in your margin. Can you hear me telling write in your margin Roman number one? Roman number one. The same old children are going on asking every day. Roman number one in your margin, or just one in your margin. Hope other children are writing Roman number one or number one in the margin. No asking anything in between. Then we will lose this continuity and you won't be able to write anything. I will check your notebook after writing this first answer. I will call your name. Now, in your margin, number one. And after the margin, you have to write Y. Now see the spelling of Y. Only capital W, because you're starting a question. W, H, Y. Y. Leave space. You have to cooperate with me, children. Y. Do. D. I'm writing with you here. D. O. Do. Y. Do. We. W. E. We. Why do we need? N. E. E. D. Need. Why do we need food? Small f, no capital letters in between. O. O. D. Food. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? Question mark. Question mark. After this question, hope all have written this. After this question, leave a line. Leave a line. This is not for you to learn it by heart. From this question, we may ask different type of question, like whatever question we ask, you must be able to answer from this. You can write your own answers. That's generally, you can general answer, you can write. It's not necessary. You have to learn it by heart what we are giving. This is that content you must get, material, because I want to know whether you all are writing. Now, in your margin, after leaving a line, in your margin, small letter A in your margin. Then, after W-E-V, I will read first. We need food to grow. Children, just listen carefully. I will tell you. Afterwards, I'll dictate, but just see. We need food to grow. Without food, you won't grow. And it makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. And it gives us, it means food gives us energy to work and play. Energy. Already we finished learning all this when I took class. But now in written form, we are writing. Okay. We are just doing it. Then only you will be able to read, and only then you will practice writing. Now, in your margin, in the margin, you have written small letter A. Now, capital W-E-V. Sometimes you may not be able to read. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. We need. Leave space. F-O-O-D. Food. I don't want parents to write. I want each child to write this. We need food. F-O-O-D. Food. Leave space. See how I'm leaving space over here? Same way. We need food to. T-O. To grow. G-R-O-W. Full stop. Certain things I'll make you write in class. Today only we are writing these things in class, because you have to write this in your classwork note. We need food to grow. Now you can read in your mind. We need food to grow. Full stop. Leave a line B. After each sentence, you have to leave a line. Then it will be neat. Leave a line, that is the double rule line, B. Small letter B in your margin. Small letter B in your margin. You have to listen to me. Then you will be able to write. I'm going to start. I'll read twice the same sentence. Food makes us strong and healthy. Now, food makes us strong and healthy. Now, capital F, all must write in cursive. Capital F,
How we are going to choose the sentence? We are going to
capital
write.
F. Please listen to me now. Don't worry about all that. Okay. Capital F, OOD. I don't want anybody to disturb when I'm dictating. F, OOD. Food
Ma'am, I didn't write in
makes MAKES. Food
Ma'am, I didn't
makes, makes, you write how you like to write. Makes us food, MAKES. Don't say children. Don't say loud. You're disturbing the whole class. Who's that? Don't tell the spelling, children. You say in your mind and write. Food makes MAKES. You must know how to listen and write. I'm dictating plus it's on the screen. MAKES makes us. You are not supposed to turn on your phone and the camera. Please turn off. Makes us US. 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 Strong. You know the spelling of strong. 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 And AND. And healthy. 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 Strong and healthy. 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 Now you finish the second sentence. Now leave a line. After these three sentences, I will call certain names. You have to show me your notebook. Leave a line C. Leave a line C. Leave a line C. Capital IT. It. Capital IT. It gives us gives. Capital IT. It gives. 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 Us. US. It gives us energy. 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 Leave space. TO. To work. 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 To work. W-O-R-K, work, and A-N-D, and A-N-D, and leave space, P-L-A-Y, play, P-L-A-Y, play, full stop. I will give you 2 minutes to complete this. Now I will call one by one. I finished calling certain children. Please don't answer in between. I will call. Now I'm going to call Logesh. So Logesh, be ready. According to the names in order, I will call. Because I finished calling. No, who's that? I'm going to call Logesh now. Now, please complete this. I'll read once again. Why do we need food? We need food to grow. Food makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy to work and play. I want you to have some written work in your book. Logesh, are you there? No, he's not there. Yes? No. Next is Mithilesh. Mithilesh. Mithilesh, he also is not there. Okay. Mithilesh, are you there? No, no. Andit and Archand, please don't talk in between to me. Mithilesh, are you there? No. Inian? Yes?
Ma'am?
I want to see. Inian, I just want you to show me your classwork note, what you have written. Don't get worried, Inian. Just show me what you have written today. Yes, turn on your, yeah. Just lift and show me. Let me see. Just, yeah, close to the camera. This in the middle. Parents, please help. No, it's not seen.
1 second.
Little more. Yeah. Indian is there. Indian. Yes, Indian. Yes. Yes. 1 minute. To grow. Yeah. Very good, Indian. All must write like this. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now, only one child. Okay.
Ma'am?
Turn off your camera, Indian.
Writing 1 second, ma'am.
Johan, I never asked you to show Johan. That's for his sister. Now, 3D, please turn off your camera. I'm noting down the names. Those who are coming, yeah. Now, you finished the first question. I will call. Now, Inian, I will give 2 marks because it's written neatly. I will call one by one. You must not come in between. Only when I ask you. Yeah. Now, we are going to the second question. Before that, I'm very happy. Some 3 children showed me the notebook. I don't want that again. Only when I call your name, you must show. And it's written neatly in cursive. Now, leave a line after C. If you have a scale with you, you can draw a line over there. When you leave a line, draw a line. Now we'll go to the second question. Leave a line or draw a line. Now, just write number 2 in your margin. Hope all would have left one line. Now this written work I'll give you. I'll send it to you later. Okay, not this, hereafter, because otherwise we'll be missing class time. Name the food.
Ma'am, I did not write first one.
Never mind, don't write, don't learn. Okay, leave it. Those who didn't write, don't write, because I finished giving you 10 minutes and I dictated. Now, question number 2 in your margin. Question number 2, you can do it from the recording. Question number 2. You join question number 2. Number 2. Who's that? Sachin. Sachin.
Ma'am?
When did you join the class, Sachin? Just now.
No, ma'am.
Then why you didn't write the first one?
Ma'am, I write it, ma'am.
You wrote. Then leave a line and write number 2 in your margin. Okay, Sachin. Never mind. But don't ask questions. You have to write today. Only you're writing. Okay. Now number 2 in your margin. In the margin, leave a line. Number 2. You have to write cursive handwriting. Capital N. Capital N. AME. Name. Capital N AME. Name. Leave little space. The. 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 Name the food. 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 Name the food. Leave space. That. Don't learn all this by heart, because we may ask you different question, but you must be able to answer from the given answers. Don't talk, please. Name the food. Already wasted. Who's that? Sanjeevan. Don't ask anything now. You write. Name the food. Name the food. 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 Those who did not write, or those who are not writing, you can go to the recording and write it later. Food. That. 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 Protect. 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 Us. 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 From. 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 Don't write from, it is from. From. Diseases. All sickness. From. DISEASES. Diseases. Full stop. No question mark, because you're just asking the name. Name the food that protect us from diseases. After this question, leave a line. When you finish one page, go to the next page. Hope you'd have written the date already in the margin. It takes a lot of time when I dictate and when you write in class. So we will find some other way. I'll send you the material, you can write it, but I'll give explanation hereafter. The first time we are writing in class. Name the food that protect us from diseases. 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 Now leave a line. Leave a line. Leave a line. Leave a line. I'm not going to ask you now. After finishing all the questions, I'll ask. Leave a line. Answer. All will be knowing. Food. Which food item? Fruits and vegetables. You must eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and they protect us from diseases. Now, capital F. Leave a line after the question. Capital F. RUITS. Fruits. And A N D. And children at 11 o'clock, don't leave the class because it may take little more time to complete this. Fruits and A-N-D, and A-N-D, and vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Now the rest. Just look at the question. This is the way you have to write. Protect us from diseases. If you just name fruits and vegetables, that's enough. And if you want to write in a sentence, a different way of asking question, if you ask question, you have to write the full sentence. Fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases. Fruits and vegetables. Only name you can write only fruits and vegetables. Okay. Name the fruit, you have to name any fruit. Fruits and vegetables. Now look at the question and write that. If it's not given, if the answer is not given, because when you write test or something, answer won't be given, only the question. So only learn fruits and vegetables. The rest just take from the question. Protect us, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect us from, did you write US? Hope, US, us. Hope would have written US, us. From, F-R-O-M, 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 from diseases, D-I-D-I-S-C-A-S-E-S. Protect us from diseases already given in your question. Fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases. Now children, please listen to me. Please listen to me. The rest I will send it to you. Now, no, just 1 minute. Now leave a line. I will tell you. I will give you explanation for vegetarians. You just don't worry about it. Now, who are vegetarians? Just have a look at it. Don't write now. Don't write. I won't be able to dictate. You just see. Now see, it's very easy. Don't write now. Please don't write.
Ma'am, I did not second one finish.
Never mind. Don't write. Those who did not write, don't write. Don't disturb. Please, parents, please help me, please. Each one is screaming. What about other children?
Go to the back.
Please don't write anything. Just look at the
I
screen.
didn't write, ma'am.
Don't write. Those who didn't write, don't write. Leave it. You just look at the third question. It's not. I just want you to understand who are. Please listen. Who are vegetarians? Kylina, I'm going to stop you. I'm going to remove you now, okay? If you scream like this, all the classes, you're screaming out. No, nothing. You don't do anything. Just look at the screen. Close your notebook. Don't do anything. Now, I have written who are vegetarians. I just want you to know. People who eat plants and plant products, they eat only plants and plant products. That means no non-veg items. Wait, I'll tell you what is it. You don't worry about all this. These people are called vegetarian. Somebody is playing some music very loud and disturbing the whole class. Now that's over. Don't write. Now I will explain to you who are non-vegetarians. Non, because some children, they'll tell, ma'am, I am a vegetarian. That means I think I will have to see who are the children disturbing me, and I know the names over here, I'll just remove. You just listen to me and don't leave the class now. Who are non-vegetarians? I just want to give explanation. It's not in your textbook. I just want you to have in your mind. I know John has come just now and started asking something. Please listen. I didn't ask you to write 3 and 4. You just listen, 3 and 4. Okay? Don't leave the classroom. I want to give explanation for fourth one. Okay, just wait. Now see that. Don't write people who eat. See this. Just note down the name of the child. Manu. John Manu, please turn off your microphone. Okay, thank you. People who eat, you just see. People who eat. Food. What type of food? Don't write. Like eggs, fish, and meat are called non-vegetarian. I never asked you to write this. I want you to go through this 3 and 4. I want you to write only 1 and 2 in your classwork note. Is it clear to everybody? Those who want to write and learn, you can learn about all this. I just want to explain to you who are non-vegetarians. Non-vegetarians will eat plant products, eggs, fish, and meat, everything. Okay, but vegetarians will eat only plant products. That plant means only certain kind of leaves, vegetables, all that. Understood? Now, children, once again, I'm telling you, do not disturb the class when you enter late. Now, all started talking. That will disturb. Now, it's already 1.5 months past. So, you must know how to behave in class. Last week, I never had any problem. This week, same old children, and I know the names. I'm noting down the names. I know I don't want to call the names. Please be attentive in class. Now, I told you not to write 3 and 4. This is just for you to understand. So when I give you any worksheet about vegetarian, I'll ask, are you a vegetarian? So you must know what you're eating, what you're not eating. Are you a non-vegetarian? You have to put yes or no. That time you must not tell, ma'am did not explain. Is it clear? Now, I sent this morning a maths worksheet. Topic was ordinal numbers. You have to copy that in your classwork note. Tomorrow I will ask you to show me the work done in your classwork. If anyone doesn't know any answer, no need to copy, no need to ask your parents. I will make you do it in class. But that written work should be there. The questions should be in your classwork note, because we cannot waste time dictating during this 30 minutes. Now, today I dictated only 2 answers you wrote. Clear, children? Don't think that ma'am is shouting or ma'am is angry. Nothing. I want you to do perfect work in your classwork. Okay, children? Then only you have to listen to the class teacher and write. Now, I told you 1 and 2 answers. Those who did not write afterwards. You just go to the recording and do it. 3 and 4, just read. Just understand what is it. That's all. And the maths worksheet. Tomorrow I'll send you one EVS worksheet. Okay, that should be done on Saturday and Sunday like that. You can just divide the timing. And Monday I will answer. Then only I'll go to the next topic. Okay. Now these 2 answers over. I got some more activities for you to do. We'll just do slowly. Okay, children, because only we have 1 class. Thank you so much. Please be attentive. Okay, See, towards the end of the class, all are very sweet. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. But in between, all are disturbing me. Okay. Yes. Now you tell me. I'll give you time. Tell me. Tell me what happened. Thank you so much. Now you must get ready for your. Thank you so much for your. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, you must be ready for your class.